ShareCash.net payment proof. All right, that's what we'll be taking a look at today. Also, stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you a couple other apps and stuff you can make some money from, really quick money. So here we go. Let's take a look at this. Now, I made a video about this before, and I just want to point out some things. Again, if you subscribe to my channel, you probably already know what this is all about, because I've talked about these kind of sites before. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. But let's get right into this. So, ShareCash is the #1 influencing network in the world, connecting influencers to advertisers. Get paid $10 to $15 for every friend you invite. There's a $25 sign-up bonus. As you can see right here, you will see $25 bonus when you register. Share your $10 or share it with your friends. Get $10 every person, blah, blah, blah. Payments through Cash App, PayPal, Bitcoin, and mailed check. All right, then there's some testimonials down here. And then there's all this other stuff. All right, well, let's investigate a little bit further to see what actually is going on here. Because, let's see, payment proofs. Okay, this is the payment proof page. With over $158,670,000 paid out to over 730,000 members. They claim to come to be the #1 influencer network. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm a little skeptical, and you should be as well. Let's see, About Us page right here. Let's see what they say. Okay, they says they've been around since 2015. Now remember that amount. Let's go here. Payment proofs again. 158 million. Here's some payment proofs that they have, screenshots of. Let's find one here with a date. So this one says June 29th, 2019. Now this is very interesting because all you got to do is go to whois.com and you'll find out when this site was registered, domain name. And they were created on November 28th, 2019, not even a month ago. Not even a month ago. Today is December something. What is it today? December 19th, 2019. Right. You expect us to believe that they paid out $158 million. They said they've been around since 2015. Complete lies, complete nonsense. Now here's even a funnier part. Now remember, stick around to the end because I'm going to show you some video or some apps you could actually make cash from. But this is pretty funny here too. Well, first of all, the video testimonials, there's nothing there, which is interesting. But if you go to their terms of service, this is pretty funny. Look, April 4th, 2019 update. Yeah, okay, well, we know their site was created on November 2019. We're just going to go in here and do a search for 99 because look at this. This is pretty funny. If you are under the age of 99, you're not allowed to use the ShareCash sites and its features nor services. Wow. So you have to be 99 years old or older. Unlawful. Yeah. So you have to be 99 years old or older. No one reads this stuff, but you should. You should investigate this stuff because it's a scam. There's actually another site, taptoearn.co, which is the exact same site. It's a clone. There's a million of these sites out there. Not a million, but there's a lot of these sites. Look, they have the same testimonials, same pictures. Just change the name to the service to whatever. Have the same crap. Same thing in their terms. Have to be 99 years or older. Absolutely ridiculous. Just total nonsense. There's another site called Rain Money. Payment proofs here. There's all kinds of these sites. This one has a little bit different with their layout, but it's pretty much the same thing. Complete scams. Complete scams. Don't waste your time. So as I promised, there's a link in the video description below for my #1 recommendation for learning how to make an sustainable business online. But I'm going to put a link down there for this kit for some cash apps that I use. Just real quickly here, I use Cash App. You'll get $5 just for signing up with my referral code. Again, check the link in the description below. Dosh app is another app where you get cash back when you link your credit card. You go shopping and stuff like that. Now, these are legit apps. They're in the iOS store. They're in the Android store. All that good stuff. We have delivery.com. This is the United States only. You get $10 up or $10 free when you sign up for free food and stuff like that. You get some free stocks. You got the cryptocurrency app here. Just check out the kit in the link in the video description below for these cash apps. There might be more added by the time you watch this video. And that is all for now. Subscribe to the channel, put your comments below, and I will talk to you soon.